not going to be staying in this room. I've got to take this.
Sweet too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We made yesterday.